Hello and welcome back if you're new here. My name is Anna and I post content every week on fashion, travel, lifestyle. Today's video is going to be in collaboration with VIVAIA. I'm going to be doing an unboxing and I'm going to be doing an updated review on a pair of their shoes that I already have owned for a year now. They are a women's eco-friendly shoe brand and they sell timeless designs at the most affordable price, and their shoes are so incredibly comfortable. So without any further ado, let's just go ahead and unbox the shoes that I've picked out and I'll share with you all the details, specs, try them on. Okay, starting off, I decided to choose their Pamela Sandals in the color almond. This particular style and color just really caught my attention. As I'm unboxing this, I just had to share with you that their shipping is so incredibly quick. I believe I got these shoes in a matter of 3 to 4 days, which was incredibly fast. Here is what they look like in the box. I would be lying if I said this was my first time unboxing them. I totally opened them already when I first got them because I was too impatient to wait for the actual video I'm filming. But here is what the Pamela sandal looks like up close. First impressions when I first unboxed this was just how high quality and beautiful this sandal is. I was on the hunt for a comfortable walking sandal because I'm actually going on a trip to Europe soon and I really needed a pair of sandals that would look cute with all of my outfits but still be really comfortable. Another first impression that I had was how lightweight the sandal is, which is really important. You don't want to feel like you're wearing bricks for shoes, and they're just so flexible. Love that these straps are very stretchy and they just really form to your foot when you wear the shoe. All of their shoes do have this really cute subtle V for their logo here, so I love that it's nothing too loud. I just want to share how much arch support that the sandal has and how much cushion is on this sandal. The coolest thing about these sandals is that it has an adapt all strap. So you know how some sandals come with the holes already in the strap? This one, you can literally just make it as tight or loose as you want in the fabric, and you can literally just like stick it anywhere. So like if you wanted it all the way up here, you could just poke a hole in the fabric. If you wanted it all the way up here, again, you just stick it in there and it'll stay secured to your foot, which I think is just so neat. It doesn't limit you to just 4 different holes. Genuinely would rate these 5 out of 5. I think they pair so well with a casual outfit, or you can dress them up. So I'm styling the Pamela sandals here with a white maxi skirt and this black cami. The cami is from Aritzia and the skirt is from Garage Clothing. Again, I just really love how simple but classy this look is. You can wear these sandals with jeans, shorts, and they'll always look both classy and comfortable. I'm so excited for this next pair, and the reason being, well, let me show them to you first, but they're their Margot Mary Janes in the color black, and just for size reference, their shoes run true to size. I'm a size 6.5 and everything of theirs fits me perfectly. I don't think I was expecting to love these as much as I did. Okay, so here is what they look like, and I'm sure you all know that ballet flats, Mary Janes, are trending, but these ones are so gorgeous. I again just love that they are an eco-friendly brand. First impressions, other than it being incredibly gorgeous, is how lightweight it is. It again has the little V right here. It also has the adapt all strap, so again, you're not limited to securing it to just a few number of holes. You can secure the strap anywhere along. What I really love is that it's an actual square toe, like an actual ballet flat, and then it just has a small little heel here for some extra support and cushion. Again, the inside of their shoes are just so cloudy and soft, comfortable. I have a little context as to why I'm so excited for these. I actually was looking high and low for a good pair of ballet flats or Mary Janes, and I got a pair from Nordstrom and they ended up being the most uncomfortable flats ever. I got blisters from them. They never broke in. I have to wear band-aids on my heels every time I want to wear those shoes, and it can't be during a day when I'm doing a lot of walking. Really cool about this flat is that it has this cushion here built in on the heel. I don't know if you can see it clearly, but there's a little extra cushion right there so your heel doesn't get blisters. Why don't all flats have that? really excited to try these on and share how I'm going to style these. I'm really excited for this look. I decided to pair my Mary Janes with this Aritzia skirt and Aritzia black bodysuit. It's giving preppy, academia, feminine chic. But really, these are so comfy and I can't wait to bring them along with me on my trip. Okay, wrapping up the video, I actually wanted to share a pair of their flats that I've actually already owned for a year now, and these are hands down the most comfortable pair of flats that I own. I don't recall the name off the top of my head, but I'll make sure to put it somewhere here in this video and link it in the description below. But I can attest and say that I actually have worn these flats during my travels in Italy, and I did over 15,000 steps a day in these flats, and my feet never blistered and they were comfortable all day, which is a huge testament to their comfortability and just how well these hold up. I love keeping these in my car, having them as a spare set of shoes whenever I'm going on a work trip and I'm wearing heels all day and I want to change into something comfortable. I just keep these handy, and I love that they don't take up a lot of space and they're so lightweight, so if you ever pack them in your luggage or carry on, they're not heavy and won't weigh it down. I feel like having had these for a year and the amount of times I have worn these, they still look almost brand new. And again, as you can see here with their flats, they have that extra cushion in the heel so that way you don't get blisters. They do have these on their website in so many different colors. I'll link photos of the outfits that I actually wore these with while I was in Italy. So again, these really can be dressed up, dressed down, super flexible. And the shoes themselves just feel like clouds. They're so cushiony and comfortable. So 10 out of 10 recommend. Well, that is it for today's unboxing and try on. Thank you so much, VIVAIA, for sending me these beautiful shoes. They're so comfortable. I'm so excited to wear them. I'll be sure to link everything down in the description below. If you have any questions, just leave a comment. And until next time, I will see you all in another video soon. Bye.